Hi. Today I had a problem with not a problem, but I was spent like I think 10, 15 minutes trying to figure out how to correctly change the image of the icon for the turtle object. Okay. So in this example, we have instead of it being the default five different shapes. So the turtle object, it could be a little arrowhead, or it could be a turtle, or it could be a circle or triangle or a square. So it has, so you have these five different shapes. Now, what you can do is you can change the icon for that represents the turtle on the screen. You can change it to, by default, you can only change it to these five different shapes. But the turtle graphics, the turtle module does allow you to replace that icon with your own custom image. So in this example, instead of it being a little square, like for example, it's the icon is a little match, it looks like a little yellow matchbox car. Okay. So if I stop and I change the image to the car image, okay. I'm sorry. So it was a car image. So now what I'm going to do is replace it with an image of my face. So it'll instead of the car icon, it'll be my face. A small GIF version, so it's 50 pixels by 50 pixels. Not very sharp image, but it does look like it. Okay, so I think yeah. Okay, so if I stop the program, I'm going to restart it. So instead of car icon, it was my face. Oh, look at that. It's my face moving around on the screen. If the turtle object, instead of being a turtle or arrowhead or a triangle or square or circle, it's a small 50 by 50 GIF of my face. Okay, look, I'm moving around. Okay. So I was looking at this code because I remembered, of course, that I created this trinket on trinket.io. And so I went and searched and found the trinket, this old trinket, and I copied the code. But then I copied the code into, again, so basically this video is basically it's about, what do you say, bugs, errors, so even though it's the same language, Python, it's Python, but unfortunately there's always hiccups. Nothing ever works, So what I'm saying is basically like copying and pasting code it doesn't really work that way in real life. So copying and pasting code, I would say my experience has been is probably like maybe 50% or more than 50%. It doesn't really work like that. You copy the code and paste it in, and dang nabbit, if something doesn't go, if something dang nabbit something goes wrong and your code doesn't execute. Because if you have one line of code in your program, in your Python program, it doesn't work. The program just doesn't work. It's frozen. Okay, so you have to fix all these errors, right? Okay, and also the point I want to make is sometimes the error messages, Python error message, they're cryptic. Like, you know, they don't give you much information. Basically, all they do is what they do is they tell you something went wrong, you messed up, your code's not running, your Python program does not run. You better figure it out. But sometimes, sometimes if you're lucky, it does give you a clue. And for this example, no clue. It just says nothing. It just says wrong, wrong. You did something wrong. What did you do wrong? I doesn't help. It's not of any help whatsoever. So you kind of have to figure it out, right? Welcome to the wonderful world of computer programming, right? Okay. So unfortunately, so to make a long story short, it turns out that what I figured is that probably the reason is because Trinket.io, I'm using a free account. So when you use a free account on Trinket.io, you're not using Python 3.x, you're using Python 2.x. So I could be wrong. I don't know everything. So my best guess is that the turtle module written for Python 2.x is different from the turtle module coded for Python 3.x. That's my best guess. Okay. So everything works fine, right? Okay. I'm sorry. The other thing is actually, originally for this, the original version, it wasn't a GIF file. It was actually a PNG file. Okay, so it was a PNG file. Okay, but a GIF file should also work, right? For Trinket.io and Python 2.x. Okay, so the problem was originally it was a PNG file. And then when I went to Replit, so in Replit, you're using, and by the way, this is the premium version of Replit. This is not the free version, right? But even if you're using the premium version or the free account version of Replit account, you know, the version of Python is 3.11, I think. It's 3.11. I believe it's 3.11. Okay. So it's not 2.x or anything like that. So unfortunately, the code I got from my Trinket, it just generated these error messages. Okay. Now this version is the code that does work correctly. Okay. So here you see that it's my face. Okay. And this one, I click on the icon of my face, and it executes a function which moves turns the turtle object 90 degrees and then moves it forward 100 pixels. So obviously everything is working. But I spent like 10, 15 minutes trying to figure out what was wrong. And I thought the Trinket code all worked correctly. Okay. So, and then I visited another website, and I visited another Python website, and I also Googled. So eventually I got to this point. So this seems to be the correct. Okay. So the other important point is that the image, because in the Trinket, I could use a PNG file. So apparently the problem is on Replit is you're using the Python 3.11, I think, or, you know, basically Python 3.x. I think it's 3.11. I could be wrong. So it's Python 3.x or 3.11. And my best guess is that with Python 3.x and the turtle module that comes with Python 3.x, my best guess is that you cannot use PNG files. That's my guess. You cannot use PNG files. You have to use a GIF file. So so the other step I had to do was I had to take the PNG file, and then took the PNG file, and then I converted it to a GIF file. So number one, if you want to change the icon or add a shape or add an image on top of the turtle object, when you use coding on Replit and in 3.x or 3.11, you have to have GIF. You can't use PNG or JPEG. That's my best guess. So I converted the PNG to a GIF file, and this is the code. Of course, we need to import turtle. So I believe you do have to create a screen object, and then you have to register the shape. The shape is the GIF file, and you're registering GIF or the shape. Okay, and then of course you have to change the shape to the image, or the whatever shape image that you've already registered. And yeah, and then assuming the rest of your Python code is good, then you should be oops, what's going on? That's weird. Okay, so the turtle object image or icon should be whatever your GIF file is. Again, GIF, it has to be a GIF. Okay. Okay, thank you very much, and have a great day.